Hello, today I am going to tell you how to install Windows subsystem for Linux in a Windows 11 system. And for doing that, you have to search turn Windows features on or off and click on that. And the next step is to click on Windows subsystem for Linux and click OK. The next step is to download Ubuntu 22.04 from Microsoft Store. And here you have to click on Get. Here you can see it's downloaded. The next step is to click on Open. Here you can see it's installing. And next you have to take a username. Next you have to define a password. And here you can see a Ubuntu terminal, and we have successfully installed Ubuntu 22.04 in our Windows 11 system. And in the next video I'll tell you how to install OpenFoam in Windows 11 in a Windows subsystem for Linux. Thank you.